The best commodity to invest your money in 2024 is not oil, it's uranium. The price of uranium this year has already gone up by 44%, and the analytics predict that it will grow by 50% the next year. Keep watching the video if you want to know why this happens, how to invest into uranium to benefit from the price growth. Just like 2 years ago, I was sure that the price of wheat will go up, which I spoke about in my video and which ended up bringing me about 50% ROI at a time. You can watch this video here. Today, I think that the commodity to invest your money in 2024 is uranium. Of course, this is not a financial advice and don't follow it blindly, do your own research, but I am going to invest my money in uranium for sure, and I will hope for the best. And here is why. The main reason of why this happens is the global green transformation. Oil is not green, and uranium is, or at least it's greener. The world is trying to refuse using oil and gas as a generator of heat and electricity. And in the next several years, oil and gas will stay at the peak of the demand, but we will not see big dynamics in the price of these commodities, like we saw in the last previous years. Uranium, on the other hand, will be a different story. So let's talk about what experts predict the future price of uranium will be. As demand for the clean energy continues to grow, many experts believe that uranium prices will have a significant uptrend. Factors such as the global push for reduced carbon emissions, increased investment in nuclear power, and limited uranium supply are all contributing to this outlook. And the surge in the demand for uranium used as fuel in nuclear power stations has not only raised energy prospects but also stirred up opportunities in the stock market. But how can we benefit from all of this information? Let's try to look into it a bit more. First, let's get into the basics. The main thing that we have to know is that uranium is a key player in the production of about 10% of the world's electricity through nuclear fission. It's not only eco-friendly but also more reliable than some renewable sources like wind and solar. Uranium is mined worldwide with major producers in Kazakhstan, Canada and Australia. And the United States, on the other hand, are one of the largest consumers. After the Fukushima incident in 2011, uranium prices took a hit. But today, with the push for global warming reduction, the demand for uranium is constantly rising. So, if you want to be a part of this transformation, how can you invest into uranium? Unlike gold or oil, uranium isn't traded as a regular commodity because it's radioactive. The most popular route is investing in companies engaged in uranium production or processing. And here are 6 leading companies to consider. The first one is Cameco Corporation, one of the biggest uranium producers, and is based in Canada. Another one is Kazatomprom, the Kazakhstan national uranium company, the largest global producer. The third one is BHP Group. It's the world's biggest mining company and a major uranium producer from Australia. Another one to consider is Rio Tinto, a diversified mining giant with uranium interests worldwide. Uranium Energy Corporation, based in Texas, the company that operates mines in the US and stockpiles uranium. The last one is Yellowcake plc. It's a UK-based trading company in uranium ore. And if you prefer diversification, there is another option. It's Uranium Exchange Traded Funds, or ETFs. ETFs provide a convenient way to invest in a portfolio of uranium-related companies. And here are some of the leading ETFs in this sphere. The Global X Uranium ETF invests in uranium mining companies and related businesses. Sprott Uranium Miners ETF focuses on companies part of the North Shore Global Uranium Mining Index. Van Eck Vector's Uranium Plus Nuclear Energy ETF tracks uranium miners and nuclear power related companies. But whether you choose an individual stocks or ETFs, remember that it's essential to do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor to create an investment plan that will suit your needs and your strategy. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content in the future. And thanks for watching me today, happy investing, and I hope to see you soon in my next videos.